Hello everyone, my name is Franco Pucci. I'm the technical consultant for the STS Association. Welcome to Training Video Series 2, where we will explore the companion specifications. I hope you find these videos helpful. In this video, we will look at the STS201-2 companion specification. Please refer to the relevant document for detailed descriptions. STS201-2 STS interface classes for DLMS COSEM, STS202-5, which are the Class 2 token extensions, and the DLMS User Association 1000-1 edition 15 part 2 version 1.0 of the 21st of December 2021. DLMS COSEM is a communication standard that enables two-way communication within smart metering systems using various communication media. Recent additions of the DLMS COSEM standard include a set of payment meter interface classes that support STS functionality. In 2016, the STS Association published STS101-2, which details how STS tokens can be transported over DLMS COSEM protocol data units. In recent years, there has been a steady growth in the number of smart metering products implementing DLMS COSEM and STS in a single device. However, these implementations vary greatly in how they model STS data elements using the DLMS COSEM standard. For this reason, there arose a need for COSEM interface classes that act as repositories for STS data elements that are accessible through a DLMS COSEM communication interface. This document specifies DLMS COSEM compliant interface classes for implementation of a DLMS COSEM server that supports STS functionality. The STS attributes class has now been included into the DLMS UA of December 2021. All clauses relating to this attributes class have been replaced with references to the DLMS UA 1000-1 edition 15 part 2 of the December 2021 document. So if we look at all the attributes, on the left you have columns that show the IEC 62055-41. On the right you have the IEC 62056-6-2 DLMS COSEM, and far right you have the STS201-2. So if you look at token subclass 0, for example, the class is class 0, subclass 0 is electricity, units of measure are 0.1 kilowatt hours. The DLMS COSEM has an account IC with a currency name attribute and a currency unit attribute. Under subclass 0, you have kilowatt hours as the currency name attribute and consumption as a currency unit attribute. Under STS201-2, the commodity attribute is electricity. And so you can go through for water, gas, time, electricity, water, gas, and time currency. So this chart really shows the -41 attributes, the DLMS COSEM attributes, and the STS201-2 attributes. Certification testing obviously needs to now consider all of this. This standard mandates the implementation of at least a single instance of the COSEM account interface class and the charge interface class. Thus, the available credit can be read from the fifth attribute of the account object, and the token credit can be read from the second attribute of the credit object. The applicable standard OBIS codes are given in 6.2.17 of IEC 62056-6-2. The standard also mandates the implementation of at least a single instance of the token gateway interface class in accordance with STS101-2. Such interface classes have already been assigned standard OBIS codes by the DLMS User Association. For this reason, the compliance test tool used to evaluate compliance to the requirements of the standard in relation to broader STS compliance requirements can utilize the existing OBIS codes as contained in the documents of the DLMS UA. The documents that are used for conformance testing are STS531-9-3-07 Entity Type J, which is Physical Layer Protocol for a two-way virtual token carrier for EA07 using DLMS COSEM, and that has been labeled VTC08. And there's also 531-9-3-11, which is the same thing but for EA encryption algorithm EA11. Note that DLMS COSEM compliance will not be tested by these certification tests, only compliance to the IEC 62055-41 and STS101-2 standards. DLMS COSEM certification must be done through the relevant DLMS test houses. Testing will be done by an automated test harness connected to the payment meter. Now, all of this is currently under development. In conjunction with this, we are developing a virtual meter that supports DLMS COSEM. We're using that initially to do all the testing. And then we have asked manufacturing members of the STS Association to send us a sample meter as soon as they have a meter that does support these standards. We will then do all of these tests, and sometime in 2023, we will be able to do certification to the new Gateway IC and the Virtual Token Carrier 08. We will let you know as soon as those are ready. This brings us to the end of this part of the video series. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope to see you for the rest of the video series. Goodbye and see you again soon.